Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to create an interactive accordion. So what is accordion? In websites, usually we find an FAQ section, okay? So we see that there are questions and a drop down icon, right? We click on it and then it opens up, right? So we are going to create that, okay? So let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to copy this text here, okay? Okay, and then paste it here. These are just sample questions that I have, took from the chat GPT. Okay, just some dummy text we can paste. So here is it. Let's create a frame here, and I have this desktop screen. Yeah, this looks fine, I think. So let's, yeah, okay. Okay. So let's take out this frame here. Let's add a fill to this one, and let's have a question. Let's have our question inside this one. Okay, and we can also make the text a little bit bigger. 20 looks fine, right? And the text color can be a shade of black and not the pure black. Okay, that's it. And the drop down icon, I have it already. I have downloaded it from the SVG repo plugin. Okay, so to download it, maybe you can just click on this one. If you have already the plugin, then that is fine. And if you don't have it, then you can just click on this one, manage plugins. Okay, and then here you can just type in SVG repo and you'll find this here. Okay, so I have already downloaded this icon here. So I'm going to just copy this one. Okay, yeah, the size is fine, I guess. And the color, I'm going to match it with this text color. That's it. So this is going to be the state where the, this is closed, just the portion is visible. Okay, now I'm going to duplicate this one by clicking on Alt. Okay, and then just extend this frame. Okay, now copy the answer here. Okay, now I think we can have this as 16 or maybe 18 pixel. This looks fine. And a little bit of line height. That's it. 131.7%. Okay. And let's change the color. Okay, that's it. Now we can done, right? Now what we are going to do is select both of them and then click on these three dots. Before it was, like the design of the Figma was like in the top you can find the create component set, right? But now you will find it here. Okay, you click on the three dots here and then create component set. That's it. Okay. Okay, one thing more. Once the accordion is open, here the drop down will be, it will be facing up, not down. Okay. So let's do this by holding on shift and then V. Done. Okay. Now let's also connect to this one. Okay. So I don't want it to be, they have to specifically click on this icon. They can just click on this thing and it should open. Okay. Then while closing, maybe they are going to click on this one. That is fine, right? Okay. So let's let's take this out. Okay. So now we have this component. Let me check this one if it is working. Okay. If this is working. Okay. This is fine, right? Now I feel maybe they can click on the top area of this one and then they will be trying to close it, right? Maybe it can happen with the user. So what I was also trying to do. So I think let's not connect like this. We can connect the whole thing to this one. Okay, that's it. Okay, so let's now duplicate this one. Okay, um, so we can do one thing. We can have this component, we can duplicate this component and have the question number 2. It will take some time. Let's just create for, 3, 4 question, that will be enough. Okay, let's duplicate this again. The last one. Okay, done. Now let's take this from each component, the portion. Okay, okay, done. Okay, so now what we are going to do is just select all the layers and then Shift plus A. Done. Now let's see if this works. Okay. So basically we have added auto layout. Okay. Right. And also we can do one thing. As we can see, it is like maybe the interaction is we haven't added this. See, this is instant, right? So let's make it smart animate. Okay, then the interaction would look a little bit smoother. Let's select both of them and then smart animate is out. Done. Okay, let's see. Yeah, see, can you see? Now it looks better, right? So that is it for this video. Let me know if you have got any doubt related to this topic. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much.